Welcome back. Good news for you. I'm going to start my trading strategy on gold series. Okay, so today is the lecture one. What is the basic engulfing? In this trading series, I'm going to show you in this strategy, and the best point is that if like you find this level, for example, okay, this is the for example one level. So in this level you can put your limit orders 1 2 3. If you are the old member of my YouTube channel, you know that in Telegram I post signals before on the base of this trading strategy. So what happened, market go and come back to this level. The good point of this level, it will come touch and go. Okay, either it will directly go to your SL or it will touch and go the signal. Okay, means it will touch and go to the direction where we want to go these pair. Okay, so we have these many lectures, but this is the basics one. We will going to I will going to explain you. That will be not a long lectures or something blah blah blah, nothing is like that. Very simple, straightforward. So you just have to subscribe my channel and watch this and practice this. You will get to know what is what I'm telling you is not wrong. Okay, so let me tell you the lecture number one is what is the basic engulfing. What is the engulfing? Engulfing means we have one candle here. Okay, the second candle should close above of this candle. Okay, this is the engulfing. Here we have a wick. Okay, we have wick here and we have wick here. Okay, this is the engulfing. So here I will show you the basic engulfing. In the next lecture I will show you what is the valid engulfing, invalid, all thing I will going to explain you one by one. Okay, so what is the basic? This is the engulfing. Okay, it look like an outer block, right? So these engulfing we are going to find in higher time frames. Higher time frame means weekly, monthly, daily. Okay, for example, we have these order block, you can say on another word. Okay, order block, in another order block we found these engulfing in weekly time frame or monthly time frame. Then we downgrade to the daily. In the same area we found the daily engulfing. Then we downgrade to 4 hour. We found in the same daily area like this. I'm explaining you. This is the weekly engulfing. Then we found daily engulfing. Then we found 4 hour engulfing. Then we found 1 hour. Okay, we should not go to 1 hour, but I'm telling you the accuracy will be dropped if you go to lower time frame. When price come to this area, this precise area, okay, basically it start from here, but it is the precise area where price will directly go to the upside or the direction where we want it's go. Okay, if it's break to the downside, what will be the rules? Okay, how much the stop loss should be you put, what is the things, I will explain everything. So here till now you understand that I have this series. Okay, and once you watch this and you will see the result on the chart, you don't need more to come on this channel and watch more me again. Okay, but you have to watch this series till the end. Today you learn what is the basic engulfing. Means it's like a order block. Okay, the candle, first candle, the second candle should close above it. Okay, and then you have this order block like from bottom to the till top, not second candle, only the first candle from top week to till last week. Okay, inside scenario I will explain you in the coming videos. Okay, here is actually in the lecture 4 what is valid and invalid engulfing, but I will explain in this these thing, and like I means I will shift this lecture here, so you will understand which will be the valid and which will be the invalid, because that is most important point. Where, because most of the time if you didn't find the valid one, it's there will be a chance that price will go to your SL. The second thing, I still do trading on that, on this setup, but I use my setup with ICT. Okay, it's I found this setup very accurate. If I trade with ICT bias, okay, and plus what the next thing, the time. The most important factor is the time. Then these become a very solid strategy. I hope you understand. If you didn't have any funded account, I will post you link in the description. Make sure to buy from there. Until next time, be safe.